Hey friends, do you know that now you can validate your Ansible project using the ansible-policy utility? You can actually validate against some organization policy. For example, here only US East 1 and US 2 region in AWS are enabled. Under the hood, you rely on a very important open policy agent framework that is well known in the industry, very popular in Kubernetes, and you can apply to many different domains, especially Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This is a new project that is actually experimental. You can check it out, the GitHub repository ansible-policy. Test it out and let me know how you feel it. As you can see, there is an architectural diagram that explains everything about the engine and how to create your rulebook. I can't wait to hear your success story. Yay!